In this video, we want to talk about the pricing plans of Wix and which one is the right plan for you. In general, you can always start for free with Wix. You will find my partner link down in the video description. So thank you a lot if you use my link. And now let's take a look at the different plans. Wix has 4 different plans, starting with the Lite plan, Core plan, Business and Business Elite. And all plans include a custom domain, reliable website hosting, some AI tools, and 24/7 customer care. And let's say you want to have just a normal website with some pictures and maybe a contact form. Then you probably want to go with the Lite plan, because here you already get the free domain, you get 2 GB of storage, and you have 2 site collaborators. So this plan is good for, like, say a cafe or a restaurant where you just have some pictures, maybe a phone number and a contact form or some Google Maps features where people can find you. But once you want to do more with your website, you probably want to go with the Core plan. The main difference is that you have more storage. So here you have 50 GB of storage and you have a basic marketing suite, meaning you can send out newsletters or email funnels, and most importantly, you can accept payments like Visa and MasterCard, American Express, Klarna, and PayPal. And by accepting payments, you can of course sell your own products with the e-commerce functionalities of Wix. So you have your own online shop where you can sell products or even digital products. And if you are like a therapist or a hairdresser, for example, then you can also have people scheduling appointments with you and managing their bookings online on your site. And you can also have them paying in advance for the appointment with you, because now you can accept payments and you can have some more site collaborators. So for example, if you have a beauty salon and there are 5 people working there, then all of them can have access to your site. And of course you can upgrade from there. Here the business plan says recommended. This is $10 more per month. Here you have double the amount of storage. You have a standard marketing suite, meaning you can do a little bit more, and you have some more e-commerce features. And from here you can always upgrade from Core to Business, from Business to Business Elite, because I would argue you don't need all these features from the get-go. But if you want to make sure, you can click on compare your plan features, and here you can see what is included in the 4 different plans. And for example, here in the business plan, you have some more lead capture forms. So if you are building a lot of landing pages where people can type in their information, you probably want to go with business, because here you have 25 different forms and you can have more fields per form. But I think most of you don't need more than 10 lead captures from the get-go and not more than 50 fields. But yeah, to make sure that you find the right plan for you, just scroll down and see if everything is included for you. But I would argue if you just need a basic website, you go with the Lite plan. And if you need a website with some more pictures and videos and maybe some payments involved and some online shops included and some more site collaborators, you can start with a Core plan. And a quick tip, if you sign up now, just click on the link here down in the description, then you will land on this page. Here you can sign up with your email, and once you signed up, you will see a limited time offer, get 50% off. And when you click on it, you will land on this page here, and here you can see you get 50% off selected premium plans for 3 days. And they only give you 50% of the Core plan, Business plan, or Business Elite. You won't get it for the Lite plan. So if you want to have the Core plan for cheaper than the Lite plan, just make sure that you will find the 50% off banner down here, click save, and then just select the Core plan. And in the next step, you can choose the duration of your subscription, and you can save up to, here in my case in Europe, 321 euros if you choose this plan. So yeah, these are the Wix pricing plans. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, and see you in the next video where I explain you how to build a website with Wix.